The land of Jammu and Kashmir has been known for its scenic beauty and rich resource availability. Therefore, the central government is identifying and utilizing the productive capabilities of the different regions of the valley to trigger off the growth impulses, thereby facilitating the process of economic takeoff for the people. Let's get to know some of the significant developments that have taken place across the valley. The handicrafts industry in Jammu and Kashmir occupies an important place in its economy, taking forward the Vocal for Local campaign in Jammu and Kashmir and to support the local artisans. A 15-day-long craft mela at Kashmir Hat has been set in motion for the public. The craft mela will provide a platform to the artisans, weavers and cooperative societies to showcase the best of Kashmir handicraft, whereas traditional musical display and live demonstrations of artistic skills by the School of Designs from Srinagar has been the main attractions of this mela. It aims to empower handicraft, handloom artisans and improve the living standards of present and future generations of our artists. Through this initiative, the Kashmir Hat is being revamped to provide the best ambience to the locals and visiting tourists for crafts, food and cultural activities. People can also explore the mystical world of Kashmiri art and savor the unique flavors of delightful local cuisines. Now, Kashmir Hat is being transformed into a craft and food bazaar, similar to the ambience provided by the Delhi Hat in the national capital. The initiative will help in tapping the best of the talents in art and craft and revive the age-old tradition of the village market in Srinagar. In yet another move to transform the valley and make it more vibrant, multiple projects of Srinagar Smart City, including variable method displays worth ₹6 crores, have been installed across the city. Variable method displays are strategically located on pan-city bases, and they are readable up to a distance of 150 meters. Besides, a new surface car parking has been dedicated at Residency Road, Srinagar for the welfare of the public. The parking space has been built on a total area of 16,000 square feet and can cater to more than 100 four-wheelers and 15 two-wheelers. It will also provide a solution to the traffic congestion problem in the busy city area. The tourism sector of Jammu and Kashmir has promoted the creation of a harmonious social and cultural environment. To enhance this sector, the My Srinagar mobile app has been launched, which will be a one-stop solution catering to the needs of citizens and tourists in Srinagar. The app integrates all available e-services offered by various departments, tourism-related information in both offline and online mode, and also provides emergency helpline services. The app will work as a robust mechanism, facilitating real-time information dissemination to the user. Further, it will also make the information related to tourist attractions and destinations in Srinagar city available on a single platform. More than 40 services from various line departments, including 20 Srinagar municipal services, are being offered through this app. Taking a step forward to make cities of the Union Territory more sustainable and structured for optimum resource utilization, recently, Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has launched City Livelihood Center in Jammu. The new intervention is aimed at strengthening National Urban Livelihoods Mission outcomes by unleashing the capabilities of marginalized sections of the society living in urban areas and generating meaningful and sustainable livelihood for the people. Waste management plan is a key component for developing sustainable cities. Therefore, a foundation of ₹80 crore worth integrated solid waste management facility has also been laid at Kot Bhalwal in Jammu. To make the delivery of services time-bound with accountability, a property management portal has also been developed by the Jammu and Kashmir Housing Board. Moreover, to refurbish the woolen industry of the region, a World Bank-funded ₹4.35 crore showroom cum interpretation center has been established at the government woolen mill in Bemina. The move will help in providing livelihood opportunities to those associated with wool production. Apart from this, with the coordinated efforts of people, COVID warriors and the administration, a successful model of vaccination has also been achieved in Jammu and Kashmir. For promoting prosperity and ensuring equitable economic development throughout the Union Territory, the central government has been encouraging the flow of investments in areas with high employment potential and in utilizing local skills and raw materials. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.